Hey, we are on week 8 or week 9, whichever one it is. I know we've been behind because of technical issues with laptops and all these sort, but we're winding down this particular module. And I'm just going to basically just go over a couple of things that we're going to be needing within the next 3 weeks. And just want to let you know our midterm, not midterm, but our final project is going to be creating a cartoon. And I'm going to show you how to, well, I'll show you what I'm actually working on, well, what I've actually done. For this particular video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you from my concept from beginning to end. And you may go in depth as far as how lavish you want your project to be, or it could be simple. It could be you can make it however you want to. You have free range on this particular project. It's as long as you create a cartoon character in Illustrator. And let me just share my screen, just show you a concept that I've done from beginning to end. And I'm going to take you into Photoshop. Okay, so I started out, what I've done is, and you can do this too, or you can create your own character, whatever. But I'm a natural illustrator, and so I've got a book called Be Somebody Great, and it just outlines different um, careers that kids can choose, or if they don't have a career that they want to know what they want to be when they grow up, they can choose from this book. And one of those careers is being a singer. I drew a singer, and what I did was scan it in, and I scanned a couple more characters back there in the background, and I took them into Photoshop first. Once I took them to Photoshop, I took this drawing, took it to Illustrator, and once I took an Illustrator, I just created my drawings in Illustrator. Now I'm going to show you the end game of my final project for this particular piece right here. And this is my final project with all the effects that I've done in Illustrator, and I brought it back into Photoshop. And you don't have to bring it back in Photoshop. You can just create a simple character, or like I said, if you want to do it complex as well, you can. But this is my final project from this to this to this. And I'll go over a couple of ways that I've actually did it in Illustrator and show you how to create it in Illustrator with all the colors and all that too. So, and all the shadows and all the effects and stuff like that, I did those in Photoshop. So that is what we'll be working on for our final project. For this particular week, I want you to go to Brightspace and learning content, the discussion. I want you to participate in the discussion. The discussion is pretty simple as well. It says art has the ability to send a profound message using colors, illustrations, and text. Identify an instance where a piece of artwork has delivered a profound message that has made an impact on society or caused debate. Finish reading that, and then examples of art that has had an impact or prompted discussion. That include the U.S. Army. We Want You poster, well, President Obama's Hope poster that was part of the early campaign. And you can create a post. Let's see. Yeah, make your post, send it in, and then for the apply your knowledge, you will be downloading this sample file. And the sample file you'll be downloading is this one right here. So it is a postcard of Maui, Hawaii. And basically what you'll be doing is it's just going to give you some simple instructions as far as how to zoom in, zoom out, practice views, layouts in the workspace that you're actually working in. And what you're going to do with this particular project, you're going to take a screenshot and you're going to just send the screenshot in based on the instructions it's giving you here. And so that's pretty much it. And what I'll do in my next video, which will probably be tomorrow or Friday, is send you over the way I actually created my cartoon character just leading up to this final project. And I might have you starting on week 11 just to give you a little bit of time so you can get it in on time. So you want me trying to get it in too late for the semester's end. Now, if you don't have a scanner, you can always take a picture, or if you don't want to use, or you know how to draw or anything like that, you can always use other sources that will allow you to get this project complete. So if you have any questions, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, whatever way you need to get in touch with me, let me know, and I'll be happy to um, get with you. All right, almost there. Let me know. Thanks.